You got kind of a high-pitched drone. That's the cicadas. They're everywhere. So this guy's he hasn't busted out of the shell yet. They split out like this. This guy's coming out. I'm gonna dry his wings out. 17 years underground. And they come out. And there seem to be quite a bunch of them this year. I don't know if the audio is good enough to pick them up, but there's a drone. High-pitched droning. That's them. They're here, baby. Let's go out and listen to these cicadas. You hear that background noise? They're all in the trees. On the trees. There's a fresh one. See all these skins? They come up in a larval form, they grow legs, they climb a tree. Here's one busting out. Look at them. There's another fresh one. They're everywhere. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. Some of them they're all the way up. I can see them way up there. This is a cedar tree. See all those? We got them. Around the other side. They're everywhere. They are everywhere. So we got that cedar tree, that cedar tree, that cedar tree. Here's a little one. And they're even on it. So you can hear the high pitch humming. We got them. Let's see. This is I don't know what kind of tree this is. Look, they're on the leaves. Look at this. They're everywhere. You can hear them. I think I've got a video from a few days ago. Skins everywhere where they busted out. And they're telling people on the local news, oh, you can take their wings off and you can eat these things. Well, y'all go right ahead. I'm not eating them. Boop. Boop. They're everywhere. They're literally everywhere in the trees. So they climb up a tree to dry their wings out. Look at them. They're just every tree, every bush. They said there's going to be trillions with a T of them. So I've never seen this in my life. Now, we had cicadas when I was younger. I remember when they would hatch out and they kind of made a sound. So these don't. There's just a drone that goes on. Look, they're everywhere. There's another one. So yeah, there is a cicada. I guess you want to call it an infestation. Luckily, they don't have big mandibles or anything like that. Yeah, I guess could be a problem then. But they're everywhere. Don't see any on this tree. Well, there's some skin there. Yeah, there we go. And that's one of my next projects. I picked that up pretty cheap. Don't know if I'll do it on my jet ski channel or just with the slide. Room slide's got to be repaired. Man, it's gotten dirty just sitting here. That was clean when I got I got to completely rebuild the room slide on this. And then my other project is here in the shed. Kind of getting away from the jet skis. Got to build an engine for that one. Right here. I've got a 71 VW Beetle convertible. That's actually a new top that he gave me with this car. He got it ready to paint. Been sitting in the shop for 20 years. There's the engine in the trunk. This one will be a challenge. Needs a lot of work, a lot of parts, a lot of time. So that'll be upcoming. Got to have something to do around here when I'm not driving, right? And then a mower project. They're everywhere. Cicadas, baby. 2024. Red-eyed cicada infestation. Live. Well, it won't be live by the time you see this. Bye-bye.